Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for snake game on Java. The last video we learned about draw something on the board. Especially we draw the fruit and the snake body. So today for this video we will draw the snake head, and we will do something with this neck. Alright. So for the snake head, it's also like the snake body, but the snake will has the eyes, the snake eye. Alright. So uh, the eye will change with the direction of the snake. So we need to go to the snake game and define a direction. So before we define the direction variable, we need to define the enum for direction. Create a new class and put the name that direction. And this is an enum. And put the up, down, left, and right. Alright. For here, we define a direction and direction. We will define the first parameter, the first value for direction equal direction up, and define another method for get the direction. Return this direction. Alright, and go back to the board panel and check by a switch K with direction. The game get direction, and for the K up, up. We will do something. Alright, for the first, before we do something, we need to set the color for the eye. So I use the color for the eye here is the black, and define a base y equal y. Y is the right. Y is just the condition of the tile here. You see. So this is why we already count. So it's especially the conditional, the real condition on the window. So we need just use it. Plus with right, we will plot with an I insect. So maybe we put 20, but because we will use this we use this many times, so we need to define it for a constant on in the class. So we will define public static final in I small insect and put a value for that variable equal to, right, before we do that I will define the, I'm sorry, it's equal to tile size divided 3. Alright, and I large insect go tile size equal 3, and for the small divided by 6. Alright, and the go back to the drawer and do something. For the base y we will plus with the I small insect, and we will draw the line with the S plus tile size and minus the I large insect, and here we will base y for here we use S plus tile size. It's the same with the first parameter for the S, and for the y2 we will get the base y plus I length. Right, so for the island we will need to define same with this I then equal the tile size divided by 5. Alright, so some this constant you can change it free, you can free to change it, because this variable, this value I made it by myself, and for my feeling about the shape, so I made it. So you can get free to change it. It's alright. So for the first up, we will test it. I go to the snake game and change something. Right? Maybe not the snake. Alright. Go to the alright here. For the 24. Alright. 29. Here I will snake. Put the snake head. Alright, sorry. Snake head. And run it. So, oh, I just draw the first eye. So we need to draw the second eye. And the second eye for the S, we just minus the right the small I inset, and for here the same. All right, and right for tile and remove here. All right, and let's run it. Hey, something wrong with this. Plus tile size large inset and tile size. I'm sorry. So we need to remove the tile size from the large from the first eye. Let's run it again. It's still something wrong with here. So wait me a moment. I will see once again. I large inset base Y and S plus the large I inset and base and I length, right? And the next one tile size minus the I inset S tile size and I right I small. Alright, for here, sorry, we will change it some. Here we will for the large inset. And for the small we use here. Alright. So now it's appear right. Okay. So this drawing maybe you get confused, but it's just for drawing, so I think it's very easy to understand. So I will not explain it to you. Right? You will find the idea from it by yourself. Alright, I will call the next one for the case down, and alright, I will copy the code from my older code, go to the board panel and switch to the drawer here and copy down. Right here, passes, small inset for here, paste Y. Alright, so Y here, base I base. Oh, I'm sorry. For here, I need to define the scope. Yes, it parent side here is very important. We define the scope here, and so any variables in this scope will don't impact the other from the other cycle, the other scope here, right? So I will change the the direction to left. So let's set it, sorry, left. Let's run it. Alright, see here. So in the last one, I need to show you that implement the key listener. Right, for the key listener, we will this add key listener, and we will add the key listener object here. And import the Java key listener, and then right, something wrong here. New key listener, right, and implement all abstract method. Right, so here is on the callback method of the key listener. Right, so for every time we press, I will check with the is get the key chart, and in case the key chart is key event vk up, and similar that I will check the other key with the key down and key left, and the last key right. Alright, break and break. Alright, sorry. So for the key up, I will change the direction to direction up, and for the key down, I will change the direction to the down. And for the left, it's also for the right, similar. Alright, and let's run it. Okay, something wrong here. Right, key press, repaint, key code, alright. So I change the method to the key code, and so you can see here the snack head is changing the direction. Alright, so that's it for this video, and see you for the next video. Bye bye.